Dear viewers, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add captions to your videos in CapCut without paying for the monetized captions feature. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use the text feature to create a professional looking captions that synchronize perfectly with your audio, perfect for content creators on a budget. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and leave a comment. Open your CapCut application, head over to create a project. So after that, I'm just going to minimize here and upload the content that I want to create a caption for. So first, I just want to demonstrate to you that it is impossible for you to add captions in CapCut if you're not using the paid version. So I'll just head over here at text, auto captions, then click generate. So the captions for the content that I uploaded have already been generated. Have a listen.
City life moves fast, but the key to surviving is learning to pace yourself. Stay sharp, adapt quickly, and never be afraid to...
Alright, now after that, I just want us to try and export our project. We see if we can be able now to export the project with our captions on the video. So just head over to export. So at the captions section here, you see that you need to join the pro version for you to be able to export this content with the captions on. So we are just going to cancel this. I'll teach you now how you can be able to generate the same captions but using the text feature and still look amazing. So first we are going to get rid of the captions that were generated. Head over to add text, click on add text, then insert a default text. So your text is already inserted. Just listen over to the audio. So I'm just gonna pull it just a little bit over here so that I can have a listen at the audio.
City life moves fast.
So that is enough for this. Now I will listen to the content so that I can be able to type what I can hear on this text area.
City life moves fast.
So that is good. So I'm just gonna click on this text icon, and then on this other side here at the default text, I'm going to change this to city life moves fast. And then now I'm going to position it before play header. So I'm just going to resize it. You can be able to resize the text using this particular feature here. So after that, I'm just going to move it a little bit down over here. And then the next thing that I'm going to do at the font text here, I'm going to change the font text to something that looks a little bit amazing, something like the font size of Ubuntu. After that, you can also choose to reduce the font size. The font size right now is 15. So you can reduce it just a little bit over there. And then from there, you can also be able to change the color of the text. Something else that you can also be able to change is the character. You can change the character spacing over there, and you can also choose a preset style. But apart from that, you can also come here at the bubble and look at how your text now can be transformed into. Now these are the features. Let's go to effects. So these are the other effects that can be able to manipulate your text to look so much amazing. But make sure that you avoid these text features here that are written pro, so you know you're going to have problems when exporting your project. So I'm just going to pick this one. Does not have a pro section here. So I'm just going to pick it. You just need to point on it and click on it once. And now this is how your text looks like. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to move the play header at the beginning of the content and have a listen.
City life moves fast.
So I'm just going to reduce the length of that particular part, point and click on it, and now you can be able to copy and paste it. So the other part that will be pasted will also look similar to the one that we had before. So you just need to click on it at the basics part here, click on basics, and then here you can change now the text, but first we need to listen.
But the key to surviving is...
So we are going to write that one here, but the key to surviving.
City life moves fast, but the key to surviving...
So from there, I'm just going to fast forward the video and then I'll teach you the last step when it comes now before you get to export your project. Kindly move along with me. So guys, I'm done for my captioning here using the text. So let's just have a listen to how my content is right now.
City life moves fast, but the key to surviving is learning to pace yourself. Stay sharp, adapt quickly, and never be a...
You can also be able to add animations to your text. Let's just try and do that. So what you need to do, you just need to point at the end of your text over here. Long press on left mouse button now to hover this way. So in that way you will have selected all your text and then head over to animations. And now at the animations area, we have three sections. We have the in, out and loop. In the in section, this is how the different movements that our text will have whenever it gets to the screen. And the other part is out, how the text will also appear when it leaves that particular time frame. And the other part, we have the loop. This is basically how it plays along throughout the time frame. All right, let's just head it at the in here. I'm just going to pick one and I will pick this one for typewriter. Let's just see how it looks like. You just need to point on it and click on it once.
City life moves fast, but the key to surviving is learning to pace yourself. Stay sharp, adapt quickly, and never be a...
So you can also be able to reduce the animation's duration using this part here. So by now our content is ready for exporting. You just need to point and click at export. In this section, you have to choose the location of where your content will go in your computer. And then now at the captions, you see the program does not acknowledge that there are any captions used. So we are good to go. So you just need to head over to export. Alright, so our video has already been exported. So let's just go to the file's destination and have a look at it. So here it is. So I'll just need to point on it and open.
City life moves fast, but the key to surviving is learning to pace yourself. Stay sharp, adapt quickly, and never...
Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you master the text feature in CapCut to create amazing captions for your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and hit the notifications bell so you never miss an update. Have fun creating and see you in the next video.